The future of travel is here. Hyperloop technology is changing the game. In a world where time is money, the rise of Hyperloop technology is shaking up the transportation industry like never before. At the forefront of this revolution is Hardt Hyperloop, a Dutch company that's not just breaking speed records, it's redefining what's possible in high-speed travel. With its groundbreaking innovations and ambitious goals, this Dutch startup is sparking a global conversation about the future of mobility. In a nutshell, Hardt Hyperloop has set a new European speed record with its cutting-edge lane-switching technology, which allows vehicles to move seamlessly between tracks. During a critical test at the European Hyperloop Center, the vehicle reached nearly 53 miles per hour and executed a flawless lane switch maneuver, proving the feasibility of real-world applications. The unique lane switch mechanism, featuring 0 moving parts, enhances reliability and scalability, addressing long-standing challenges in Hyperloop design. Global interest is growing, with plans for Hyperloop routes in Italy, Germany, and China, signaling a worldwide shift toward faster, more sustainable transport. Hyperloop technology, once a sci-fi concept, is now inching closer to reality. Hardt Hyperloop's recent success at the European Hyperloop Center in Veendam marks a pivotal moment in this journey. The company's vehicle not only achieved a top speed of 53 miles per hour, but also demonstrated a lane switch maneuver, a feat that highlights the potential for Hyperloop to transform daily commutes and long-distance travel. Breaking speed records. In a recent test, Hardt Hyperloop's vehicle accelerated at an impressive 0.3 g, similar to the force felt when a car speeds up rapidly on a 1,379-foot track. Within the first 460 feet, it reached its top speed of 53 miles per hour, showcasing remarkable efficiency. The test then moved to a 509-foot section where the vehicle executed a smooth lane switch maneuver, followed by a controlled deceleration to a stop in the remaining 328 feet. This performance surpassed its original design speed of 50 miles per hour, proving that Hyperloop technology is no longer just theoretical. Roel van de Pas, managing director of Hardt Hyperloop, calls this achievement a major milestone. The company's lane switch mechanism, which uses no moving parts, is a game changer. Traditional Hyperloop systems have struggled with reliability and scalability, but Hardt's innovation addresses these issues head-on. By eliminating mechanical complexity, the system becomes more dependable and easier to scale, paving the way for widespread adoption. Next-gen mobility arrives. Since its first successful test at the European Hyperloop Center last year, Hardt Hyperloop has conducted over 750 test missions. These efforts have led to significant advancements, including a motionless lane switch mechanism and a safer magnetic levitation system. The company has also optimized its vehicle by reducing bogie weight by 45% and increasing thrust by 50%, bringing it closer to its ambitious goal of 435 miles per hour. This progress suggests that Hyperloop technology could soon offer a viable alternative to traditional rail and air travel. Kees Mark, managing director of the European Hyperloop Center, emphasizes the significance of these achievements. The future roadmap for Hardt Hyperloop includes a 1.9 to 3.1 mile demonstration route, with plans to extend to a 19 to 31 mile operational line. This strategic plan positions Hyperloop as a key player in the next era of transportation, promising faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly travel. Global implications and future prospects. The impact of Hardt Hyperloop's achievements extends far beyond Europe. Countries around the world are taking notice. Italy has approved a demonstration line between Venice and Padua, while Germany has included a pilot route in its coalition agreement. India is actively considering Hyperloop implementation, and China aims to establish a fully operational corridor between Shanghai and Guangzhou by 2035. These developments underscore the global recognition of Hyperloop's potential to revolutionize transportation by offering a faster, more sustainable alternative to current systems. The international interest in Hyperloop technology reflects its promise to address pressing transportation challenges, including congestion, pollution, and inefficiency. As nations explore the feasibility of Hyperloop routes, the potential for a new era of mobility is on the horizon. How will these developments shape the future of travel? And what role will global cooperation play in achieving widespread adoption? The road ahead, as Hardt Hyperloop continues to push the boundaries of high-speed transportation, the world watches with anticipation. The successful tests at the European Hyperloop Center mark a critical step toward a commercially viable Hyperloop system. While challenges remain, the progress made thus far is a strong indicator of the technology's potential to transform travel. The big question now is, how quickly can these technological advances translate into operational systems that benefit the public? As countries worldwide explore Hyperloop routes, the future of mobility is unfolding. Will Hyperloop become the next big thing in transportation, or will other innovations take the lead? Join the conversation. What do you think? This article is based on verified sources and supported by editorial technologies. Did you like it? 4.5 out of 5, 27 reviews. Irwin Williams is a New York-based journalist at Left Lane News, covering cars, technology, performance, and the future of mobility. With a background in journalism acquired through a specialized program in New York, he explores how the auto industry adapts to new challenges and innovations. With a focus on driver experience and innovation, his stories spotlight the intersection of design, policy, and automotive technology. Contact. Email@example.com.